Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn the detailed explanation of yarn over and yarn under. Previous video we learned the detailed information of amigurumi. It's a continuation of that video. If you didn't see that video, please go and check out the video. It will be very helpful for you. Before starting a video, if you think I'm explaining very slowly, you can increase the speed of the video in the setting. Come, let's start our video. We will first begin with yarn over V stitch. Yarn over stitches is a basic normal stitch we carry out in our crochet. In this, hook will lie under the yarn. Afterwards, we'll pull the yarn over the hook from back to front. This is the format of making yarn over. By doing this, we will get V-shaped stitches. It's a normal method we use in our crochet. Think difference in this one. We just insert our hook in the stitches and the yarn will lie on the hook. Pull the yarn over the hook from back to front. Please check out the video how I am moving the hook and yarn and how I am pulling the yarn. Please note every single detail in this video. Now we'll see yarn under method. X stitch is a complete opposite of yarn over. In this, we will pull the yarn from front to back. The hook over the yarn and pull the yarn up from front to back. In this clip, you can check the yarn under and yarn over, how hook and yarn are moving, how I am pulling the yarn. In yarn under, we will pull the yarn from front to back. Yarn will be under the hook, but in yarn over, the hook will lie under the yarn and will pull the yarn from back to front. Now check every single detail and note every single move, how I am moving the yarn and how I am taking the yarn and how I am moving the hook in this video. You will know the difference. Now we'll see separate video for yarn under. Bring the yarn to the front under the hook. Now you twist the hook to grab the yarn from above. Then pull a stand through the loop on the hook to complete your stitches. Now note every single detail, how I am rotating the yarn, how I am placing the hook and how I am carrying the yarn and hook in this clip. In yarn under, we'll get X-shaped stitches and yarn over V-shaped stitches. You can see the difference. It look like an X and it look like a V. Now we'll see why in amigurumi particularly we are using yarn under, X stitch. What will happen if we use yarn over stitch means yarn under make no gap between the two stitches, but in yarn over it will leave gaps between the two stitches and it make a loose stitches. We don't have any gap in this yarn under, but in yarn over we can see the gap. We can also see the fillings inside the yarn over after completing, but in yarn under we can see the complete and neat finish. And yarn under consume less yarn, but in yarn over consume more yarn and it will create a taller stitches, but in yarn under create a shorter stitches. In yarn over it will leave a gap in your work, but in yarn under it will not leave any gaps in your work and it will give you tight and neat finish in yarn under, but in yarn over it will give you a loose fabric and gap and looser stitches. In yarn under, wrist movement and arm movement will be unnatural so that we get the tight just without a gap, but in yarn over The wrist movement and arm movement will be very natural. We get a loose and even finish and loose fabric. But yarn over is easy to work, but yarn under is little harder to work. Because for this reason in amigurumi we mostly prefer yarn under. Yarn under, it will give you a nice and neat finish. For that we can make whatever design on amigurumi we want. We can create a flat circle by working in yarn under method. With the help of twist yarn under method, it will fill the gaps between the stitches and it will give you a tight and neat finish for your amigurumi. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubt, you can comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.